Hello. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to flip words in Google Docs. It is easy and simple. We share two different methods. So, let's go to know how to flip words in Google Docs. Method 1. Flip words in Google Docs using copy and paste. First, open Google Docs and select the word that you want to flip. Now, press Ctrl plus X. Mac users press Command plus X. Click on the Insert option. From the list, tap on the drawing and click New. Now, the drawing tool will open. You will find a box option. Paste the words that you cut in previous in the box. Press Ctrl plus V. Mac users press Command plus V for paste the text. You can easily resize the text. You will also add text color, border color, and so on from the top menu option. Right-click on the text box. From the list, select Rotate and tap on the vertical flip or horizontal flip. You can also rotate it clockwise direction from the list. Tap on the Save and Close option. Now, you will see that you successfully flip words in Google Docs. Method 2. Flip words in Google Docs using word art. Open Google Docs and put the cursor where you want to add flip words. Now, tap on the Insert option. Tap on the drawing and New. Now, a box will pop up. Tap on the actions from the list. Select Word Art. Write the text that you want to flip. Now, you will see the text. With the above option, you can change the color, border color, and much more. Right-click on the text. Tap on the Rotate. Now, select the rotation option that you want. Click Save and Close. Now, you will successfully flip the words. I already write details article on it. Check the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.